Hey guys, it's your boy Dr. Robotface. Oh man, what's going on with this video? It's completely broken. What am I gonna do? I gotta get this thing done or the boss is gonna kill me, man. Hang on a minute, I got an idea.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh cool, some special effects.
So what's a Hebocon?
Great question, AI-generated robot guy. A Hebocon is a badly made robot fighting tournament from Japan. We had one last year and it was pretty cool, so we're doing another. Wow, look at all those rubbish robots fighting each other. Good point, video. Anyone can enter. The Hebocon is for all ages. My dearest wish is to see an 80-year-old woman fighting a 7-year-old boy. With robots, of course. Hold your horses there, video. It's for Toy Teardowns. What you talking about? Oh man, all the dates are wrong. It's from last year. I'll fix it. Man, this video's a bit of a mess. I hope no one notices.